Hi everyone, Mark here at 911 Rapid Response. We got a new Ford Interceptor to go over with you today. This is for a great customer of ours from Eastern Adams Regional Police Department. I'm going to start at the front of the vehicle here. We have Proguard Push Bar with the Whelen ion integrated lights into the top rail. The push bar does have the side covers on, which hides all the wiring, so you don't see any of it. So it's a real nice, clean looking install in the front. Move around here to the side, we have a pair of headlight flashers. Now, right now the vehicle is in neutral, so it's in slider position 3, so it'd be like we're responding right now, which is why the white is flashing. We have a Vertex here in the corner, Whelen Vertex, flashing red-white. A TI on there on the side of the push bar for some added intersection power. Get here to the top, we have a Whelen Senator Duo light bar. This is red-blue. It has the white flashing on right now. And just to give you an example, if I put the vehicle into park, this is going to be the park mode. It's going to be a single flash, half bar. Still very visible at a distance and even close up, but not as blinding and crazy of a pattern for just being in a park mode. The graphics here are done here in-house at our market graphics department. Designed, laid out, all installed, one-piece vinyl, so there's no overlays or nothing like that on our vinyl. We even go to the extent that all the corners have what we call seal tape. So what that does is, it's real hard to see it on video, but it's a real thin layer, and that helps protect the corner of that decal, especially where you're going in and out of this car a lot. We have a Duo TI on here in the side back window. That helps a lot when you're halfway, 3/4 way through an intersection, or if you have your vehicle parked sideways across the road. Gives you some added extra warning here in the back of the vehicle. Move around to the back. We have some TI-ons on a license plate bracket. We have a pair of rear taillight flashers, and we have a Phoenix 6-head 180 optic arrow stick / warning stick in the back window. It is red-blue, and it will do the arrow stick in red-blue as well. It's a single color unit. So nice layout on the car as far as in lighting, nothing crazy, but good effective warning. Go around here to the inside. We have a Proguard containment system. It's a half system. Shouldn't necessarily say half system, I should say a system that has a divider between the two. So if you have two people that you're putting in it, they can't get to each other. The seatbelt system allows you to put somebody in it, and then without reaching across, it allows you to grab a hold and clip your seatbelt down in. And then it just latches back up here in the top to hold it in place. So if you're fighting with somebody to get in the vehicle, you don't have to worry about the seatbelt coming off, falling off, because it is secured into the buckle here while you're doing that. Pair of window bars in the rear window. And then we have blockers and stuff that go over the panels to cover everything else up. On the front and the inside, we have a GTAC computer, keyboard, Havis console, Whelen siren unit, customer supplied radio that we installed, a set of cup holders, 2-side armrest, threw a magnetic mic clip in there, some gun racks between the 2 seats. Nice looking vehicle, something a little different. Graphic design came out really nice in this one. We're real pleased with it. Again, another great customer of ours. We can't thank Eastern Adams Regional enough for the work that they give us and the relationship that we have with them. We greatly appreciate it. If there's anything that you'd like to see else, make sure you follow us on social media, comment below, give your requests. We'll do whatever we can. We're trying to keep up with stuff. We've been really extremely busy lately, so we're trying to keep up with some videos. We can't do a video on every vehicle. We just pick a few select here and there to do, and we hope you enjoy this one. Thanks and have a fantastic day.